Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Samsung dryer won't turn on and the control panel remains completely blank, it can be frustrating when you're unable to start a drying cycle. A no power condition on a Samsung dryer can occur because of power supply interruptions, a tripped breaker, loose connections, or temporary control board glitches. In many cases, the issue may be something simple that can be checked without disassembling the appliance. Before assuming there's a major problem, it's worth going through a few basic troubleshooting steps. In this video, I'll show you several things you can try to help restore power to your Samsung dryer. Try these. Step 1. Verify that the Samsung dryer is properly connected to the electrical outlet. Step 2. Check the breaker associated with the Samsung dryer and reset it if necessary. Step 3. Disconnect the Samsung dryer from power for several minutes to perform a reset. Step 4. Reconnect the Samsung dryer and wait for the controls to initialize. Step 5. Confirm that the door of the Samsung dryer is fully closed before starting a cycle. Step 6. Test the Samsung dryer again and verify that the display and controls respond normally.